Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, giveaways, spoilers. We have a giveaway for you in this video and I'm super excited for this one. So I did pick up from the Fab Fit Fun edit sale one of their mystery bundles. So that's what we will be giving away, one of the items from the mystery bundle to one of you in this video. My giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety and be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of April, it is the Juvia's Place, the Queen Palette, Fumi in Juvia's. I'll put a link for that in the description box down below, as well as my many other giveaways that I got going on. All of those are under the current giveaway section. I want to welcome anybody who is new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. If you can do me a favor, if you can hit that bell button, that way you are notified of when I do uploads and also when I do giveaways, because I want you guys to know when I do them, because I love giving back and brightening somebody's day. That makes me happy when I can make somebody else happy. If you are watching this on a mobile device, if you can go into your settings and mark those, that you can receive notifications from there as well. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is from Juvia's Place, the Wahala 2 palette. And it's mainly this teal row right here, as well as this shade here. So like I said, we are unboxing the Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle that I picked up from their edit sales. So Fab Fit Fun is a seasonal subscription, and it's mainly beauty, makeup, lifestyle type of items. There's fitness, there's all sorts of kind of really cool stuff that they do. I think Fab Fit Fun is the subscription box that I have had the longest. I love them. And so in between each season, they have what's their edit sales, where they have a ton of add-ons, and one of the items you could add on is a mystery bundle. If you are interested in checking out Fab Fit Fun, I have a code in the description box down below. It'll save you some money, and it helps me out in any future purchases that I want to make. Obviously, you guys, no obligation to use it, but if you do, I appreciate it so much. So let's find out what we got in our mystery bundle. Last one was really good, so I have high hopes for this one. So they do not send a card, they just kind of give you your items and you have to look them up. And so that's what I'll do and let you guys know prices and all of that good stuff. So the first item in here is this really cute. We don't have a manufacturer or name or company that it's from, so I have no idea. I can't even look this up, but can you see this? It is like a pearl and rhinestone headband. Super cute. Love it. The next item is one that I've gotten in the past. I wish that somehow they could keep track of items that they've sent you so you don't get repeat items. This is the Ish Deluxe Bronzer. And I couldn't find any information, prices, anything like that on that one either. Here is another Ish product. It is a lip liner. Looks like this. Another one I couldn't find any information on. Here is what she looks like. So let's do a little swatchy. And there's what she looks like. A really pretty rose color. So the next product, I could find some information. It is for the Revitalize Eyelid Dark Circle Corrector from Dermalect. It does retail for $49. It is a 3-in-1 treatment developed specifically to address all the visible factors that represent eye aging, dark circles, puffy eye bags, and droopy eyelids. This multi-peptide technology and tightening agents. It has anti-puffiness complex that helps reduce the looks of puffiness and helps promote firmer looking skin. It has dark circle eyeliner, a blend of ingredients that work to moisturize and soothe dry skin and lighten the appearance of dark circles. It may reduce the appearance of droopy eyelids and can be applied directly on the eyelid without irritation. And then here's what the product itself looks like. Secret word-ish. So I wish that I was able to tell you more about these other products. There's just no information in there. Sometimes I feel like Fab Fit Fun gives you in their mystery bundles some of the stuff that they're trying to get rid of. And so maybe it's stuff that is no longer available. I did find out, this kind of irked me, that it was either the last one or the one before. And I do, whenever they have their sales, I try and pick up a Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle. But one of the items that they sent to me had expired a year ago. So I wasn't happy once I figured that out. Just putting that out there. So it was an okay bundle. It wasn't my favorite by far. It wasn't the worst that I've gotten, but yeah. I mean, I don't know how much use I would get out of this. It's just not my style. And I don't like this. You can tell it has like a plastic inside of it. And a lot of times those will give me headaches because they press too hard here. So if I wear headbands, then mainly more of the cloth ones. This sounds really cool. The lip liner was okay. And since I already have one of these, let's do this as our giveaway for this month. It is the Ish Deluxe Bronzer Brush. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed, and then also put on it what that secret word was. Do not put that secret word in the comment section down below or fill out the form more than once. Both of those things will get you disqualified. My giveaways are open internationally. I love giving back to everybody. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. I try and package everything up really well. So let's have this giveaway go through May 7th, and then somewhere in the week of May 11th, I'll do my kind of spin the wheel where we announce the winners. I put in everybody's names, just their first name and first initial of their last name. And then if you do have bonus entries, I'll put that information in to there as well. Like I said, I don't know the exact date yet because I'm picking up my son from college that week and I don't know when his last final is yet. You know how it is, getting information out of guys particularly is like a big pain. So there's that. How do you get bonus entries? If you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is beautyama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm really trying hard to grow the channel here, and I got to get my watch time minutes up because I've got some amazing things that I want to do for you guys, but I got to get this monetized first, and where I'm lagging behind the most is on those watch time minutes. So if you can help me out with that, that would be greatly appreciated. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye!